Hello! Are you interested in an unusual yet easy to make pasta recipe that requires no pasta machine and no pasta shaping skills and not even a rolling pin? Then this is your video. Now we are going to make testaroli. Testaroli is a kind of very special pasta that is common in parts of northern Italy, notably Tuscany, Umbria and Liguria. But it is said to be of Etruscan origin. I say is said to because we can't know for sure, but I think we can safely assume that this is a very old way to prepare a kind of pasta. The Etruscans were people that lived in northern Italy in what is now roughly Tuscany, Umbria and Lazio, and they lived in the first millennium BC until they later in the first millennium became assimilated into the Roman Empire. Now, what is special about this pasta dish is that the dough is first baked in thin crepes before being cut up and then boiled like any fresh pasta. Now for this, very simply, we take flour, just normal all-purpose flour. In this case, I took 2 cups. We add some salt and now water, about the same amount, the same volume as the flour. And we mix it into a rather liquid dough, a little like pancake dough, just without eggs. See, I need the rest of the water. Now this is how it should look like. I brush the pan with a little bit of oil just to make sure it won't stick. Make thin crepes as thin as possible. If you have a real crepe pan, then this is easier. I just have a normal household pan that I use for all kinds of stuff. But that has to do. Don't fry them too much, they should stay light and not crispy. Bring a pot of salted water to the boil. Now this is my pile of eggless crepe. And now I am going to slice them all into small diamond-shaped pieces. Now, these are the almost ready testaroli. The next step is to boil them. Now that the water is boiling, we put in our testaroli. Voila! And we bring the water back to a boil and just let them boil shortly, about a couple of minutes or so, because they are already almost cooked. Now these testaroli are traditionally served with pesto. I have made here a basilicum pesto with walnuts, simply because we have lots of walnuts at the moment. But yeah, feel free to use your fantasy and make any pesto you like, even with rucola, with other herbs. Bon appetit!